Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to draw an activity diagram. So first we're gonna click on new document and that's gonna open a new blank page. So this is basically the design page, and there we have all the tools that we need to draw an activity diagram. Here we have the standard shapes, the flow chart shapes, and other shapes, but we don't need those. We need the UML shape, so we're gonna add this tool. We write UML and then we select the UML state activity, and there you can see that the tool is already added, so we close that window. Okay, so let's start. We're gonna need a multiple lanes for this example. Actually we're gonna need 3 lanes, because I'm gonna show you how an ATM machine works through an activity diagram. So this is gonna be an activity diagram for an ATM. So the first lane is gonna be the customer, the second lane is gonna be the ATM machine, and the third lane is gonna be the bank. Yes. So first we're gonna need the initial node. So as you can see, this is the start node. We're gonna grab and we're gonna put in the customer lane. Then we're gonna add an action, the first action. So there you can see that when you click on that red circle, it displays an arrow. So this is an action. So the first is gonna be the first action is gonna be insert the ATM card. Then we're gonna need another action, but this action is going to be in the ATM machine. So that action is going to be for the ATM machines. So it's going to be the validate the ATM card. So now we're gonna need to add a branching. This is going to be our first branching in order to make some decisions. So the first action, the first decision is going to be when is valid. Okay, so there we can edit, because by default the program put yes. So the action is going to be enter pin. So from the customer side. So then we're gonna need another action when it's invalid. So we're gonna edit here, invalid, and there we're gonna put eject card. So that means when it's invalid, the ATM machine is gonna eject the card, and then the customer has to take the card and it's going to finish. So this is gonna be the first pathway, let's say. So here we need more space. So basically we just pull down the lanes. Okay, let's continue. So here, enter pin. We're gonna move down, and we're gonna move the arrow in order to we're gonna move this arrow. Yes, like that. See, you have a better but we have to fix this, because I don't like that way. You should grab that, and you move like this. No, Oh, you can add a text there, but I don't want that. So yeah. Okay. I grab this. Yeah, that's so much better. Okay, so we have those flows. Okay, so what happened when we enter the pin? Okay, so now we're gonna add a new action, but this time that action is going to be on the bank lane, and that action is going to perform it's going to authorize the pin. So for that action, we're gonna need a new branching, because so with a new action, and that when it's it's gonna be a valid pin, that pathway, and that action is gonna be on the customer lane. So is the valid pin, if the pin is valid, so the customer can enter the amount. Okay, cool. So now we're gonna I'm gonna move this because that is so much better. Yeah, like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna need a new action and on the bank lane, and basically that action is going to be it's going to check the balance, the customer balance, and there we're gonna need a new branching, I guess. Yeah, we're gonna need a new branching, because basically what the system, what the bank must do is like, if the balance is, okay, the amount is lower than the actual balance, so basically the customer can, for one way, take the money, and for the other way, the bank have to debit from his or her account the amount. So basically here we're using forking a shape, because we're gonna perform two actions simultaneously. So as we said, on one hand, the customer is gonna take the money from the slot, and on the other hand, the bank has to debit the amount. Yeah. So here we're gonna put debit account. Cool. But I want to fix the arrow that way, because I think it's gonna be more, yeah, I like that way. Cool. So those actions are being performed simultaneously. So then we're gonna add a new forking shape. Yeah, like that. So from there, basically we're gonna need a new action, and that action is gonna be show the balance. Yes, because once the customer take his money, and also when the bank debit the amount from his or her account, then the ATM machine is gonna show the balance, and then with this another action is going to be eject. It's going to eject the card. For ultimately, the customer has to take his or her card, and then the action, the completely activity finish. Okay, but here we have the branching, because we work on the valid pin. Now we have to work on the invalid pin scenario. So we're gonna use that arrow, and we're gonna connect with an action. Here you can reduce the size of the activity diagram in order to see better. So when the valid, when it's invalid pin, the activity, the flow is going to go to the eject card action, and then the customer is going to take the card, and then the activity finish. There we have another branching. What happened when the balance, is lower than the amount entered? So what is going to happen is that first going to show the balance and then eject the card, and then take the customer is going to take his card, and then the activity is going to finish. Yeah. So when the balance is lower, this is the symbol. Yeah. Amount. Okay. I'm gonna fix this arrow a little bit. Yeah, you can grab like this, and you can put like this. Yes. Okay. So yeah, basically that is our ATM activity diagram. Yeah, we have a lot of space here. We're gonna reduce here. So that's so much better. So there we can see the customer, the ATM machine, the bank, and all the flow through the entire activity diagram. We can color, for our activity be more like colorful. I'm gonna put blue on the customer lane actions. You just select the actions and click on the fill colors. Then the ATM machine, I think I like green, but not that green. The other one, yes, that one. Yeah, so putting color makes the diagram more attractive, I guess. And the last one is gonna be the the bank lane. We're gonna put a different color, maybe an orange, a lighter one, yeah. And we're gonna fill all the actions, and you can also fill the branchings shapes. Yeah, that's it. It has a better look, I guess. So basically that is our activity diagram for an ATM. So with that, you can see all the flow, all the whole process when someone wants to take money from his or her account. So as you can see, it's very simple, and you can download as JPEG or PDF or MPG. Yes, just download. The file is generating, and then you have the image. There it is. Okay, that's all, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you all have learned a lot. See you next time.